friends, we're here with our letters and our sound cards. So we're going to say the letter is and the sound is. Can you friends at the carpet help me too? Okay, here we go. The letter is R. The sound is R. The letter is U. The sounds are and U. The letter is J. The sound is J. The letter is W. The sound is W. The letter is Y. The sound is Y. The letter is A. The sounds are and A. The letter is V. The sound is V. The letter is Q. The sound is Qu. The letter is F. The sound is F. The letter is P. The sound is P. The letter is Z. The sound is Z. The letter is O. The sounds are and O. The letter is K. The sound is K. The letter is M. The sound is M. The letter is E. The sounds are and E. The letter is H. The sound is The letter is G. The sounds are G and J. The letter is X. The sound is X. The letter is B. The sound is B. The letter is T. The sound is T. The letter is S. The sound is S. Letter is N. The sound is N. The letter is D. The sound is D. The letter is L. The sound is L. Letter is I. The sounds are I and I. The letter is C. The sound is K and C. Good job, friends. Those are our letter cards. Have a good day.